Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the 4 ways I use flaxseed to grow my hair. Flaxseed has really helped me a lot. Before I started using flaxseed to grow my hair, I always had issue with having a very difficult to manage hair. I usually have issues combing through my hair, but since I started using flaxseed, my hair has become manageable. I don't spend hours trying to take down a braid or trying to detangle through my hair. Flaxseed has made my job a lot easier for me. I can now take down my hair before 30 minutes and detangle so quick. My experience with flaxseed is that each time I use it, my hair takes the breath of life. My hair comes back to life. My coils will be popping. Like my hair will be screaming healthy. If you're a sister out there suffering from dry hair, you've tried all the products and nothing is working for you, have you tried flaxseed? Go try flaxseed. You will come back with your testimony. For those who don't know what flaxseed is, this is a picture. It can be purchased anywhere. The first way I use flaxseed to grow my hair is as a moisturizer. I use the gel from the flaxseed to moisturize my hair. To make the gel, all you need to do is put in your flaxseed into a boiling water, allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you will notice this white cast on it. You will know that your flaxseed is ready once you notice it. Bring it down from the fire and then sieve it immediately, because if you leave it to get cold, it's going to congeal, it's going to thicken up, and then you will not be able to sieve it. So sieve it immediately and then you have your gel. You can use this to moisturize your hair. This will condition and hydrate your hair. It will strengthen your hair, and if you're having breakage, this is a very good recipe for you. This flaxseed will help you reduce your breakage, strengthen your hair. The second way I use flaxseed to grow my hair is by making a pre-poo mask. Pre-poo mask, I use it before I wash my hair as a prep before your wash. This will help condition, softens the build up, moisturizes your scalp. Using flaxseed as a pre-poo will help you soften and detangle your hair, and it will make it easier for you to comb through your hair. To make a flaxseed pre-poo mask, all you need to do is get your flaxseed gel and then a butter. Whisk or blend until you get your desired consistency. Apply this on your hair for 15 minutes, covering it with a shower cap. Then proceed with your wash day. It is that simple, and your hair will be feeling moisturized. Your hair will retain its moisture even after washing. Your hair will be soft. I also make use of flaxseed oil, but I couldn't include it here because while I was making the video, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording. So I am very sorry, and I promise to make the video available as soon as possible. The third way I use flaxseed to grow my hair is by consuming it. There are different ways you can consume flaxseed. You can either put it inside your cereal, your salad, or your smoothies to consume it raw or roasted. Flaxseed is packed with omega-3 fatty acid, which helps fight inflammation. It lowers the blood sugar level. It is good for your skin. It reduces cancer risk. It helps with constipation. For someone like myself who has constipation a lot, flaxseed has helped me in so many ways. It aids digestion. It is high in fiber but low in carbs. It also reduces cholesterol. So if you're the type that eats a lot of fried food, fatty food, I think you should incorporate flaxseed into your diet. Flaxseed is also good with weight management. You can add flaxseed inside your oatmeal, you can bake it, you can add it into your pastries, you can add it to your eggs. It can also be taken as supplement. The fourth way I use flaxseed to grow my hair is by using it as a leave-in. This can be through making a leave-in conditioner out of it. This leave-in conditioner moisturizes your hair, locks in moisture, softens your hair, repairs damaged ends, reduces freezes, reduces inflammation, balances your scalp pH, also adds shines to your hair. It strengthens your hair, reduces breakage. This can be used as a pre-poo or a leave-in.